Hi, this is Happy Bird from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Christmas treat. And I made this with the set of 3 little ramekins found at the Dollar Tree. They have them in red and white, and as you can tell, I already used one of the red ones. You can find the paper at the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, same with the rhinestones. This is from the Dollar Tree. The button is from Walmart. And you can find these at the Dollar Tree, but I did buy these at the 99-cent store. So I'll explain a little more about that as we go further into the video. But this is just a very inexpensive and cute little candy gift that you can give to men, women, or children. You can dress this up or dress it down. It all depends on you. So before we get started, I'm going to invite you to my friend Craftie's YouTube channel. Her name is spelled C-R-A-F-T-I-E, and I'll put a link to her channel in the description box below, as well as on my blog. Check her out because she has some wonderful and easy Christmas things to make, and I think you'll enjoy her channel. So with that said, we'll move on and I'll show you exactly how I made this. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a package of these little ramekins that you can find at the Dollar Tree. And as far as I know, they only have them in red and white in packages of 3. So I'm going to take one of the little red ones for now. And you're going to want some kind of round or oval candy. The reason why you don't want rectangles is because you want to give this a rounded look, like a cupcake, okay? So I just picked up some of these little peanut M&Ms out of the bulk bins. And now this is in a baggie, but you can use a baggie that is a little bit thinner than this if you want, but that's the only thing I had in there right now. And I'm going to cut this top part off like this. Okay. And I'm just going to twist this like so, make it kind of like a round bundle. And then I'm just going to put some tape around it. If you want, you can use those little twisty ties. But I'm just using this. Okay. Like that. Turn it upside down. And then you're going to buy some of this white tissue paper with the little glitter sprinkles on it. You can find this at the Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store. I picked this particular one up from the 99-cent store. So I'm going to take a sheet of that and fold it in half. And then once I fold this in half, I'm going to just cut it down the middle like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, that's for sure. Okay. And I'm going to place this right on top, like so. Now these are pretty brightly colored right here. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a twist and then turn that under like this. And then I'm going to set it right in here. Okay. Now the next thing you're going to do, you're going to pick up some little red pom-poms. I bought this at the 99-cent store and I was lucky because they were all red. There's 24 in a pack. Dollar Tree does carry these, but they're, from what I can see, they're not all in red. They're mixed colors. They do have red in there, but about that size. Okay. And then I'm just going to take, oh, for Pete's sakes, okay, a little dot of hot glue. I'm going to set it right on the top. That's our little cherry, okay? All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take these little rhinestone stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I have some white ones here left, so I'm going to use this up. You can certainly buy these at the 99-cent store. They do have longer sheets than the Dollar Tree for that price, but I'm just going to take one strip for now from each color, and you're just going to tear them apart like this and just stick them right on the wrapper here all over the place. That'll be our little sprinkles. I'll start out like this anyway. And if you want to, you could put a little dot of hot glue at the bottom before setting this in here. I think this will be just fine, though. You can buy a little package of those clear cellophane type wrappers and just set this in here. And then tie it at the top with a bow. That would be really pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to take a strip of the green, and I'm going to do the same thing. Oops, there we go. And these stick right on here, I mean, without any problem. And then, of course, I'll use the white ones. Oops, I didn't press that there. Okay. You can get the kids to do this part if you like. Sorry, that was kind of out of view there. All right, so then the last one, I'm going to do these little clear ones. I like to use 3 colors when making these, just because I think it looks nice. And there's no rule saying that you can't use another strip if you want, but this is what I do for now. And this really is pretty inexpensive. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then we'll be back. I'm going to see if I can find a nice little bow to put right here. Okay, we'll be back in a moment. Okay, so I bought some ribbon here from the Dollar Tree. And there's 9 feet. And this one says, "Have a holly jolly Christmas." Like that. And I cut about, oh, I'd say about a foot of ribbon. And I didn't measure it, I'm just kind of estimating that. Okay. And I made this little bow here and hot glued a little button right in the middle. These buttons are from Walmart, and they come in different shades of green and red. I thought those were kind of cute. So, as you all know, I'm not terrific when it comes to tying bows, that's for sure. And just going to pull this, and I'm going to twist this around. I'm not worried about the middle part, whether it's on the back or front, because I'm just going to place a button there in the middle anyway. And that, and then cut this like so. In fact, I might even cut it a little shorter, and I want it to fit about like that. So let's get another little button here. Another little red button. Here's one. I'm just going to put a tiny little dot here, not much. You don't need much at all. And just going to put that right in the middle. See? Either glue that or you can glue that. So I think I'm going to glue that one since we just did that. And on the back, I'm just going to hot glue it. Just put a little bit hot glue. You don't need a whole lot. And just going to place it right here and just hold it right underneath the rim here. Okay. And so there we go. Set this stuff aside. Got a little rhinestone stuck to my desk here. Oops, that's for another project. Okay, so if you'd like to, like I said, you can buy a package of the clear little bags and just slip this inside and then tie a ribbon. Oh goodness. Then tie a ribbon around the top of the cellophane, and you have a cute little thinking of you token gift for Christmas. And you can give these to men or women or kids. So I hope you enjoyed that, and God bless each and every one of you. Take care now. Bye-bye.